The aim of this video is to introduce you to Moodle for your eChannel Moodle course. Although what you see in this video may not be exactly what you will experience in your course, you will learn how to get around a typical Moodle environment and see some common activities and tools that you may experience. You will have received a Moodle user ID and password from your eChannel course provider. Go to the provided URL to log in and enter that information. This takes you to your Moodle Dashboard. The Moodle Dashboard is made up of blocks of information. Often there is a block with a welcome message, a navigation block that offers quick access to your courses and to topics within each course, and blocks with news announcements or reminders of upcoming events. The main area of the dashboard, the Course Overview block, shows all of your Moodle courses and your progress in each. To enter a course, click on it from either the Course Overview block or from the Navigation block. The upper area of the Moodle interface or screen will always be present no matter where you are in the course. It may contain a link back to your eChannel course provider, a drop-down menu of your courses, as well as access to your personal profile settings. Just below the course title is what is called the Breadcrumbs Trail. As you progress through the course content, the breadcrumbs allow you to see where you are in the course and to click back to places you have been previously. In this example, we can click on Dashboard to go back and select another course, or return to the main course page by clicking on the course name. Courses are also laid out in blocks. The Course Navigation block allows you to go to specific areas or activities within the course by expanding the topic. If a course completion status block is present, you will be able to track your progress through the course. Other blocks of information may also be provided by your instructor, and blocks may be arranged differently from what you see here in this sample course. The main block contains the course content. This will typically be presented in sections, either weekly or by topic. Each section contains information or instructions, followed by a variety of activities and resources for you to complete. If there is a box beside an activity, then a check mark can be added when you have completed it. If the outline of this little box is solid, then you will be able to add that check mark yourself. Otherwise, it will be added automatically when you complete the activity. The type of activity or resource will be indicated by a small picture or icon beside its title. There are many types of activities and resources that your instructor may include in your eChannel Moodle course, and in this video we will feature some of the more common ones. Lesson material can be presented as a single page of information or as a book of several pages. To see the content, click on the title link and then read through the information that is presented. The content may include images, videos, or links, and you may have to scroll down to get to the end. You can click on the links at the bottom of a page to go back to the previous activity in the list or forward to the next one, or use the Jump To drop-down menu to go elsewhere in the course. Remember, though, that you can also click in the navigation block or the breadcrumb trail to get around. Pages of lessons are often combined into a book format. When you open a book, a table of contents will be found in the upper left corner. You can navigate within the book using these links, or use the arrows at the end of each chapter to go forward and back within the book before proceeding to the next activity in the section or topic. Be sure to complete the whole book before proceeding to the next activity. In addition to books and pages, your course may contain some interactive components. A forum or discussion allows instructors and learners to exchange ideas and answer specific questions by posting comments within a thread or topic. Your instructor may include text, images, or videos to review prior to posting. The choice activity, often used for quick surveys or polls, presents a question with a number of answers from which to choose. Note that your instructor will determine whether or not to publish these poll results within the session. Assignments provide a space for submitting your work. Your instructor will include directions for what is required for the assignment and for submitting it. You may be required to enter text directly in a provided Moodle space, as shown here, or you may be asked to upload a file. In either case, instructions will be provided. Your instructor may also include quiz activities. Quizzes can include multiple choice, true or false, and short answer questions, or drag and drop activities. Instructors may link to internet or web pages using the URL resource. Sometimes these web links will open up within the Moodle main block, or they may open up in a separate window that you should close when you're finished. You may see additional activities or resources in your Moodle course. For example, H5P content is often used to provide even more interactivity. Regardless of the type of activity or resource, simply click on the title and then follow the on-screen instructions provided by your instructor. This video has covered basic Moodle features and commonly used resources and activities. Please contact your online mentor, your instructor, if you have any trouble with your eChannel Moodle course.